Good morning, good morning everyone. My name is William Cortez, and I'm a grade 11 student from Lyceum of Legal Foundation. And today, we're gonna talk about the topic of a unit circle. A unit circle is the circle of a unit of radius. And today, we're gonna discussing how to convert radians to degrees. So, the first problem is that pi over 6. Convert pi over 6 radian to degrees. And step 1 is multiply the given radian measured by 180 over of pi radian. So pi radian over 6 radians times 180 over pi radian. So uh, before we could uh, uh, multiply this, we need to cancel out the rate uh, we need to cancel out the units first. So the unit of this is the radian, and step 2 is to simplify the result. 2 is simplify the result. And okay, pi over 6 times 180 over pi. Cancel out the pi first. Then we need to find the divisible of this because the step 2 is the simplify the result. So the divisible of this both is 6. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1. And 6 divided by 180 is 30. So 1 times 30 equals 30. So, thus, pi over 6 equals to 30 degrees. And now, let's proceed to the problem number 2. Is convert degrees. Convert 45 degrees to radian. First step of this converting is multiply the degree measured by pi radius over 60. It is the formula to by converting degrees to radians. So step 1 is the next problem. Uh, Problem number 2 is convert 45 degrees to the radians, to radians. And the first step of this is the formula we'll be using is that pi radian over 180. We need to multiply what is the given number to convert to radians to multiply by this. So, the given number is 45 degrees. So, 45 degrees. Let's say equals to times pi radian over 180. And step 2 is now we need to simplify the result. Step 2 is so by multiplying in pi cross multiply, so pi uh, so is every whole number is as equivalent denominator to 1. So this is our 1. So 45 times we need to now determine so the thing is to simplify the result, we need to find the divisible number for this both to simplify the result. So after the simplify, we need to now type multiply. So 45 is divisible from 45 is 1, and the divisible of 180 is 45 is also 45, which is also the 4. 45 times 4 is 180. So 4, 1 times 4 equals 4. Then um, and 1 times pi equals to pi. So the answer is pi over 4. Thus, so also we need to put that in conclusion to make the proper result. Yes, proper result. So 45 degrees is equal to pi over 4, which is correct because the we can see the 45 degrees is equivalent to pi over 4, and the correct and the answer and the result that we got is also pi over 4, which is correct. So let's move on to the finding the region measured. Proceed to one example 3. And now we need to proceed to the example 3. Problem 3 is to find the region to the region measured. Sorry, the region measured to 60 degree. Ay, no. Oh, 60 degrees. So step 1 is to multiply degrees. Multiply the degrees measured by we're using the same formula that we used the previous example 2, which is the pi radians over 180. So 60 is equals to uh, region 180. And always remember that after the step 1, we need to simplify first before we multiply. So now we're going to simplify it. So 60 degrees is equals to 60 pi radian over 180 degrees. And as I told you last from the previous problem, that every whole denominator has a 1. Right? Every whole number has a 1 denominator. So by multiplying 60, multiplying before we multiply is we need to find the divisible number first. This is from the concept that first before we multiply. So the divisible of the 60 is 60, and the divisible for 180 is 60. So 60 divided by 60 equals to 1, and 180 divisible by 60 is 3. So 1 times 3 is equals to 3. Wait, wrong. Uh, with by the concept for finding the radian is to always put always numerator pi radian numerator before I there is always pi numerator when finding the radian. So today today so 1 times pi radian is pi, and 1 times 3 also 3. Thus 60 degrees is equal to pi over 3. And let's go for our table to see if the answer is correct. So 60 degree is equivalent to pi over 3, so which is correct. And now let's proceed to the last example, converting complex converting regions to degrees. The last problem is convert negative 2 region over 3. So uh, it's one. This formula is the formula we use also is for what we use last from the previous example is also is it's when it's converting to radians to degrees. Mm, I don't know. Sorry. Let's we're gonna one. I forgot that convert radian to degrees. Yeah, degrees. So we need to use the first the from the example one formula. It is 180 degrees over pi radian. Formula. Formula and now we need to multiply from the given radian measure. It is the 2 negative negative 2 over pi over 3 plus pi radian times 180 degrees over pi radian. And like I said that we need to cancel out first because the unit for our result is degrees and not radian. So cancel. Then we need to simplify before uh, we need to simplify before we multiply. So uh, negative pi over 3 okay. Uh, let's no. Yes. Uh, this negative 2 pi uh, since the unit is pi, so we need to cancel out them. Uh, cancel out. Then uh, the divisible of this both is 3 equals to 1, and this is uh, 3 divided by 180 or divisible is 120. So uh, so we need to put first is the negative from the given number is the negative, so which is this is all one. We only cancel out the pi, so pi is equals to yes. They cancel both. The, the remaining is that they are one negative. So 1 times 120 equals to negative 180 degrees. Thus, 2 negative 2 over pi plus 3 over 3 is equivalent to negative degrees. So we need to see the unit circle if it's correct. So okay, let's find the negative over 3. So yes, as you can see, this is a positive, but when rotate by the rotating of the circle is that when when it's rotate reverse is negative, but when uh, rotates to the left is it's positive. So we can see that this is a positive because it is rotated to the left, to the left, and they are both this is not uh, they are possible na that it can rotate negatively. So from rotation negative negative 90 to whole is negative. So all of this is negative and not positive. So yes, so the right answer is 120 degrees equivalent to 2 pi over 3. So the answer is correct. So that would be all from the topic that we discussed from about the converting regions to degrees and degrees to radian and finding the measures uh, finding measure finding measure of degrees uh, uh, finding measure to degrees converting to radians, and finding measure finding measure finding measure of the region to degrees. So now that will be all for today's discussion. Thank you for listening.